Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are making chocolate caramel candy bar pretzels. They are amazing. We'll begin by melting the caramel according to the package directions and dip the pretzel into the caramel, place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and put it in the freezer for about an hour. Dip the pretzel in chocolate candy coating and place on top of crushed candy bars and coat with enough to cover the entire pretzel. You can make all different kinds. I love crushed Butterfingers, Heath bars, peanuts, Oreos, chocolate chip cookies, mini chocolate chips, and a whole bunch of other kinds. So you can really make whatever you want. They're all going to be so delicious. Thanks for watching, and for all things creative, delicious, and fun, subscribe to my channel.